Hello ma'am, are there any must-read editorials for today's edition?
Yes, definitely. There's a very important article in the Hindu's opinion section today, so come, let's have a look. Now, the article is Tale of Two Consumers, Rural Aspirations versus Urban Caution. The demand among rural customers, non-essentials remain strong despite weakening sentiments in urban areas. Now, this article talks about how people in villages, which is the rural India, and cities, which is the urban India, are spending money differently right now. The big idea is that rural people are still spending confidently, urban people are becoming careful and cautious. The background of this whole article is, why does this matter? See, economists track something called consumer confidence. Okay, and it basically means, do people feel hopeful about in jobs, income, and the future? If yes, they spend more. If no, they save money and spend less. The RBI, Reserve Bank of India, conduct surveys to understand this. Now let us talk about rural India. Let's spend. Rural incomes have improved due to good agriculture output, government schemes, better employment opportunities. Rural people are buying both essentials and non-essentials like phones, bike, clothes. Even if prices rise, confidence remains high. Okay, then in short, they are hopeful plus spending is equals to growth. Now let us talk about the urban India. They say let's be careful. Urban consumers worry about job security, inflation because there are high prices, economic uncertainty. They still earn more but fear the future. They reduce non-essential spending like travel, luxury items. In short, anxiety plus caution is equal to reduced spending. Okay. Then let's talk about the rural-urban gap, which is an important term. See, the difference is called the rural-urban spending gap. The rural demand is driving India's consumption. Urban demand is slowing down. Okay, there are multiple dimensions of this whole article. Let us talk about these multiple dimensions. The first dimension is the economic dimension. Now, consumption drives GDP. Rural demand is supporting economic growth. Then there is a social dimension. The social dimension is aspirations in villages are rising. Lifestyle gap between rural and urban areas is shrinking. Then there is a policy dimension. What is the policy dimension? Shows success of rural focused schemes, signals need to support urban employment and control inflation. Now, why is this important for UPSC? Let us understand it. This is highly important for prelims examination, for RBI Consumer Confidence Survey, rural urban spending demand trends. Then it is for mains, for GS paper 3, economy, this becomes highly important. And for essay paper, this article becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.